Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Morgan County, southwestern Hendricks County, eastern
This
Clay
is
County,
more
Bowen
specifically to
County,
show
northeastern Greene
earlier.
County in southwestern Indiana, southern Putnam County until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Greencastle, or 25 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving northeast at 60 miles per
The
hour.
storm's near Greencastle.
Include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Morgan and
This
Hendricks.
is a radar-indicated threat.
Wait,
The following
Hendricks is very close
hail
to.
damage to vehicles is expected.
Okay, we're up here.
Expect wind damage to
Madison
roofs,
County's right here, and Hendricks is right there, I
Locations
think.
impacted include Greencastle,
Yeah.
Spencer, Cloverdale, Worthington, Gosport, Fillmore, Coatesville, Amo, Stylesville, Coal City, Bowling Green, Quincy, McCormick's Creek State Park, Freedom, Bell Union, Patricksburg, Wheatlesville, Salisbury, Little Point, and Eminence. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 29 and 52.
I-70.
For your protection, move to an
There's
interior
where
room
the storm
on the
was
lowest
coming in
floor of the
from.
building. Repeating,
Is
a
very
severe thunderstorm
strong.
warning has
As a
been
matter of fact,
issued until
there's a
10:30
possible
p.m.
tornado
Eastern
near
Daylight Time for the
Champaign,
following
Illinois.
counties in Indiana: Clay, Greene, Hendricks, Morgan, Owen, and Putnam.
This is a huge warning. I feel like they were too lazy to issue a watch, so they just issued a warning.